Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is June the 10th. I just wanted to give you a fast update on the tomato and pepper plants. I'll just go through them here. You can see how nicely they're doing. We've had a lot of rain lately, not a lot of sun, but they're coming along pretty well. That's a tiny pepper plant right in there. But you can see everything looks healthy. They're coming along really well. So if you want to see how I started all of these off, I'll put a link at the end of this video or underneath the video as well in the description box. And then we've got these ones as well, the pepper plants. And they're coming along, they look pretty good. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one. If you made it this far, thanks very much for watching. On the screen, you have 4 choices. You can watch either one of the 2 videos on the left-hand side, or you can subscribe to my channel by clicking at the top, or if you're into baking, then you can check out my recipe channel, Bake Like a Pro, by clicking down at the bottom.